man to man, can't you see? We cannot go on. It's me against me again. I'm sick of the man I am within, fighting me, making me fall down again. I'll commit your suicide. Now death will breathe you in. Sitting here at my graveside, I've never been so alive. You pull the dead man out of me. I am not what I was. I'll never be what I was. You pull the dead man out of me. I buried you. You were nearly my demise. Only by the grace of God I survived. I admit I was wrong to let you in. Never come back again. I can see all the possibilities rising up now that you're not holding me down. This is where I say goodbye and put the last bullet between your eyes. Here at my graveside, I've never